Hello, in this session we will tokenize the text and remove the stopword from that. Let's switch to Visual Studio. Like the previous session, I have created the folder for the session 45 and created the input model as well as the demo class. Let's start with the tokenization. Tokenize means obtain the word or the character from the text based on the some separator. Create a method for tokenize. There are two ways for performing the tokenization, based on the word and based on the characters. Let's create a result model for tokenization. Name tokenize result model. Inherit it from the input model. Add a property for the string array tokens. In this example, we will tokenize based on the word. For this, we need to use the tokenize word method and pass the output column name, that is the tokens. Input column name will be text. Create a model. Create prediction engine. Use the predict method and pass the text. Print the value of the original text as well as the tokenize on the new line. Update the program.cs file. Save all the files and run the project. Here you can see that tokenize separated the text into the word by space. Let me comment this for now and make a call to the new method. Tokenize into the characters. Create this method and copy paste all statement from the above method. Here instead of the tokenize into word, we need to use the tokenize into the character as a key. This will perform the tokenize based on the character as well as generate the key for them. If you want to work with the character itself, then again you have to convert the keys into the character. Let me change the output column name to the char key. This column now holds the keys for the each character. To convert those keys into the value, we need to use the map key to value method. Use the append method. Add map key to value method. Output column name will be the token. And input column name will be the char keys. Save the file and run the project. Here we got each character as a token. Note that this is a space character that represents the space. Sometimes we need to remove the some word from the text, such as commonly used words like the a and the, who, what, etc. Those words are also known as the stop words. Let's call the remove default stop word method and create it. Copy the body from the above method. We also need to create a different result model for this. Name stop word result model. It also inherits from the input model and has a string array of the token. It has the additional one property, string array. After removing the default stop word, we want to remove the stop word. So we need tokenize into the word, update the output column name. Here call the remove default stop words. Output column name will be the after removing default stop words, and input column name will be the tokens. Update the model in the production engine. As well as the print after removing the default stop words. Save the file and run the project. Here you can see that some with and also have removed. Here we have removed the predefined stop word. Sometimes we need to remove the different set of the word. ML.NET allows to specify the own set of the stop word too. Let's create a remove custom stop word method. First of all, we need to define the set of the stop word that you want to remove. Let you just want to remove the with and have only. And copy paste all statement from the above method. Use the remove stop word method and pass the array in the stop word parameter. Save the file and run the project. Here you can see that this time we got the sum and also. However, we are not getting the with and have. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Tokenize means the separating the text into the word or the character. For this, we need to use the tokenize into word or tokenize into character as the key as per your requirement. When we tokenize for the character, it gives the keys instead of the value. So we need to manually convert it back to the value. While performing the sentiment analysis, we need to remove the stop word. So our algorithm can focus more on the important words. If you have the predefined set of words, then you can use the remove stop word and pass the string array. If you don't have, then you can use the remove default stop word method to use a predefined set that created by the Microsoft. Stay tuned for the next session.